Okay, we're on to our second example, Pythagoras example 2. This time we've got a ladder that is 4.5 metres long, leaning up against a vertical wall. The foot of the ladder is 1.2 metres from the wall. How far up the wall does the ladder reach? This time we're going to give our answer correct to 1 decimal place. So once again, we need a diagram. And this time, we're being given the length of the ladder. It's leaning up against a wall. Okay, so we've got, here's the wall, and we know the ladder is 4.5 metres long. So it's going to be something like that. And it's leaning like that. And it's 1.2 metres from the foot of the wall. So we've got the ladder here, 4.5 metres. This is our right angle. And we want to know how far up the wall does it reach. So this is going to be our unknown here, one of the shorter sides. As per before, we're going to label our sides of our triangle. So we know that the hypotenuse is the longest side, and we always label the hypotenuse as C. And our other two shorter sides are going to be A and B. We're going to write our rule as always. So C squared equals A squared plus B squared. We're going to substitute into this rule now. So we know C is 4.5. So we're going to put that 4.5 squared equals x squared plus 1.2 squared. We want to get our x squared alone. So what we're going to do, we need to rearrange this equation. So we want to leave this x squared by itself on the right-hand side of the equation, and we're going to move this 1.2 squared over the other side of the equation. So we're going to have 4.5 squared take 1.2 squared. So we're adding here. On the other side of the equation, we need to reverse the operation. So it then becomes minus equals x squared. So we've got 4.5 squared take 1.2 squared equals x squared. Let's simplify the left-hand side of this equation. So we've got 20.25 take 1.44 equals x squared. And to neaten this up, I might just swap the sides, which we can do. We can say x squared equals our 20.25 take 1.44, which is going to be 18.81. Now we're at the point where we can solve for x by simply rearranging the equation, and we know that the opposite of squaring, move it to the other side, it's going to be the square root of 18.81, which is 4.3. Remembering that we were asked to put our answer to 1 decimal place. We then should summarise our finding. So we can say, therefore, the ladder will reach 4.3 metres up the wall. And we're done.